Hi, and welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall and Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. And we've got some real classics today. It's summertime, so we've got tomatoes and cucumbers, but it's also a great time for crab, and there's crab coming in off the bay. So we're going to be doing a little crab salad with cucumbers and tomatoes. So let me get started on that. I've got a cucumber here, standard garden variety cucumber. I'm taking the ends off, and then I'm going to peel it, all right, real quickly. Cut it in half down the middle, and scoop out the seeds, because we don't want any of the seeds in here. I wanted to show you this, to show you how easy it is to get this cucumber prepared for a salad. The seeds and skins are a different texture than the flesh, so sometimes you just don't want that contrast in the salad. I'm just going to cut long strips. Then turn them, right, and cut across. You see, I'm never taking the tip of my knife off the cutting board, so I know exactly where the knife is all the time. I'm going to add that to the cucumbers I already diced. We've got the same thing with the tomatoes, but I've got enough of those already diced, so I'm not going to go through that process, but it's a great time of year for tomatoes, and Virginia's got some of the finest. So here we go. I've got Chesapeake Bay crab. I'm going to add some green onion. All right. I'm going to add the tomatoes. And I'm going to add cucumbers. Now, whatever measurement you like, you can use. Now, there's certainly the recipe that's posted up on the website is going to have some measurements to it, but these are not critical ingredients. It's not like baking powder or salt. These are ingredients that you can add or subtract however you want, and even replace. If you don't like cucumbers, don't use cucumbers. Okay? All right. So we've got that there. Now I'm going to add mayonnaise. Okay, I can't use brand names, but you should always look for Virginia products when you're in the market. So, all right, there's that. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. All right, that doesn't need an awful lot. Now, you can't look at this. I washed my hands really, really good before I got started here. So, but just if you're squeamish about hands-on food, just turn your head. I'm just going to mix these around with my hands. All right, now it's there, and I'm going to turn my back on you for a minute while I wash my hands again. So before I go into the food and after I go into the food, I'll wash my hands. All right, so now I've got this all mixed up, and I'm ready to go with plating this thing up. So I've got one more spoon here. And we're just going to scrape this out onto the end here. I've got some basil for plate garnish, and I'm going to pile this so that I hide the cut stems of the basil. So that's ready to go. I'm going to add a little bit more green to that. And I'm going to add a little bit of Tabasco sauce to give some breakup color on the plate, right? And the Tabasco sauce on the plate lets people decide whether they want to use Tabasco sauce on their crab salad or not. So here we go again. It's Virginia crab salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. Perfect summertime salad. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.